I'm just going to give you the basics about creating a portfolio. You need to make sure that you follow the guidelines that's listed under course information to make sure that you have every section that you need. So I'm going to go into the portfolio from our website. And remember that our website works better in Mozilla. So I'm going to click on my CCCTI and I'm going to log in. Yours will be over here under my email, and when you click on that, it will take you to Google. Mine is a different kind of program for educators, so I'm going to click on Google so that you can see what it looks like. And you will already be logged in, so you'll click on your find the little waffle there, and you're going to click on Sites. And you're just going to click Create. And we're going to do it in New Sites. So give it a second here to do its thing. And there are themes that you can use. So if you go over here and you click on themes, there's Simple, Aristotle, Diplomat, Vision. There's all these different kinds of themes that you can use. You can use any of them that you want to. I think that when I decided to do mine, I believe I picked Diplomat, but it does not matter whichever one that you want to do. And you're just going to put your title page in there. So let me just going to change it to Stacy Reagan. And you can change an image if you want to. I have a favorite picture of my family that I like to put on there sometimes. But you can upload them from your albums, from Google Drive. You can search, by URL if you know where one is. You can use their images in their gallery. You can use all kinds of things that you want to use. So you can put an image there. And then once you get that first home page done the way that you want to do it, you're going to want to add some pages. So this is the home page that I have. When you click on this little plus sign, it will add a new page. So every time you want a new page, you're going to do that. Let me show you what mine actually look like. I actually did one for you guys, and I called it Stacy Reagan ePortfolio. And I just did, I put my favorite picture of my family there. I went to pages and I added pages for each of the categories that are listed on your guidelines. So there's one for personal narrative. So once you click on pages, you can actually edit those if you want to. So I went over and I added a page for personal narrative, and you can go and you can, put a new image in there. I put an image for teacher. I put a box here for text to put my personal narrative in. Yours needs to be a little longer than that. And then once you finish everything that you want to do, when you publish it, it will give you your email address, your web address that you need when you preview it. So when I go into preview and I look, here's my site. If I click on home, it shows the page that I have, the very first page. When I click on personal narrative, it shows the page that I did for personal narrative. You will have one for college choices, all those things, and you'll need to edit yours. I just put the page there, didn't put the college choices that I have. We'll have a place for an academic plan, a financial plan, and a career plan. It's very simple and easy to use. You just need to hit create pages. Now, when you, at the top under the publish drop down, if I go over here, let's go back to my Google Sites. I'm gonna go back to my sites. Let's go go back to it where I was editing instead of the preview. Okay, so under the Publish drop down, if you go under Settings, it will show you what your website address is, and that's what I need to be able to view it and give you your grade. So this is what you'll end up sending to me. And the way I got that is I went over at the top when I was editing and I gave it a name, and I just called it Stacey Reagan ePortfolio, and that's what it put into my website address. So that's the website that you'll need to give me. And notice I've got all the pages that I need. It's very, very easy to use. Once you click on a page that you want to use, you just click on the screen and you can, I can edit over here if I want to. I can insert, I can click insert and I can do a text box, I can do an image, I can upload something maybe from my Google Drive if I want to. I can put a YouTube video in there if I wanted to about my colleges or things like that. So there's all these different choices of things that you can insert on your page. So it's very simple to use, it's accessible, so that's why we're going to use Google Sites. So make sure that you ask if you have questions.